Okey, alhamdulillah guys, kita dah check in, dah settle dah, bilik pun cantik, bersih dan sampai-sampai kita malam kita sangat pendek. Lepas buka ni sampai di sini, waktu sahur dah hampir tamat. Jadi kita pergi ke Mat'am, makan romansia. Oh, ni ada kedai makan. Ada chicken kebab tu. Okay. Kita tengok apa ada.
You prefer Malaysia also India? Malaysia.
Sama dengan pakai kita. What we have?
You have barbecue, we have chicken biryani, beef biryani, we have honey, nahari, chicken kadai, mutton kadai, lassi, everything we have inshallah fresh and excellent.
Excellent. 1 kilometer from Masjid Nabawi. From here. This
And
restaurant.
especially 2017 I've been in Malaysia, Johor Bahru. Yeah, I love Malaysia, alhamdulillah. We are all one ummah, Muslim, inshallah, khair, inshallah.
Malaysia.
Yeah.
Okay. Jom kita makan chicken mutton curry.